Hello everyone, welcome to new tutorial. And today's lecture, or you can say it's really very simple tutorial for you people, that how can you make a simple ring. So now let me see how can you make that. I suppose, for example, I'm going to make a circle, okay, of random dimension. You can give some certain dimension to it as well, but right now I'm not giving it. And taking an offset of 2, let us see how much do it takes. Oh, and Z enter, E enter, and let's suppose, and diameter of 4. Now I'm going to take an offset of 2, and that is like, okay. And really I'm going to do boundary inside the regions to which I want you really to extrude that is this region, and now I'm going to extrude that to 4. Now we see what we're getting. Really now suppose the region inside of the circle inside, you see that I want to separate this circle from the outer side. So how can you do that? Use the separate command, and I want to SU for separate. I want from this region, then space, to separate this region. Well, and actually, sorry, wait a minute. SU for separate. Select object. Sorry. Extrude up to 5. And SU for subtract. Oh, BO for boundary. By point. This one. You have to do sometimes it doesn't work, so you have to do separately boundary and other and the separate regions. So now it will work the best. So EXT for extrude. Suppose I'm going to extrude this up to 5, and I want to extrude that region up to 6. Now we see direction that follows is actually what? Wow, really? Now you can actually move it into the upward direction. That's once you know it crosses both of the sides. Once you know this is right now, it is true all. And then as you for separate from this region, I want to separate the inner circle. Now really, you can see I have made like you can see that I made really ring tab, but it has really have a greater thickness. So now you can what you can this is now let me squeeze it, let me decrease the height. Oh, sorry, Control plus Alt, this Z enter, E enter, Control plus Alt, select the surface, press pull, and so to modify. -1. Okay, so I hope you understand how can you make a ring. So thanks for watching.